Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are doing a dirt cheap haul, so let's get into it. Okay, I'm not getting them, but look at some of the stuff I'm seeing. This is cheese markers. Those are nice pieces of wood to use for whatever. They do have something on one side that you could just easily get around that. If you're into farmhouse decor, look at how cute. So it says 3, but it's not 3, it's going to be less than that. And then they have these. And then these with a chalkboard. So that already says laundry, but you can usually do something like that here. A wreath. This. I am probably going to grab that. This is a good spot for inexpensive DIYs. Okay, so now that you've seen some of the things that they had at Dirt Cheap that I did not buy on my 2 trips, let's look at some of the things that I did. So first up are these paint pens. It says $5 on the tag. It's never the price that it says on the tag. You scan it and find out with the app. I will say I have not had great luck with the app. Some people do. I don't. My phone just doesn't like it. Anyway, they were actually only $2. They're very opaque. Works pretty well. Pretty good price for paint pens. Next up is this little ceramic star-shaped trinket holder. It was only 60 cents. This was a Target dollar spot item, I believe. Actually, a lot of the stuff that I have in this haul were Target dollar spot items. I probably really won't do a whole lot with that. I'll just use it as is around Christmas time, 4th of July, etc. There's, a lot of good things you can use star-shaped stuff for. Next is this cute little gnome. I got the one with a bird. There was also one where he's holding like a walking stick. My daughter did paint the glitter on top. I don't know if she's painting the rest of it or what she's going to do. Anyway, it was only 25 cents. The next item that I got was a candle, fresh cut fir. It was also only 25 cents. And I was pretty excited about these next little guys. These are little ceramic bunny egg holders. So they're holding little baskets, and it's for your eggs. So I was thinking my Easter decor next year would be maybe copper and green. So I'm thinking I'm probably going to paint these little guys green and probably some faux eggs copper to go in them for a tiered tray or some kind of vignette for Easter. So you'll be seeing a tutorial on that closer to Easter time. And they were only $1.80. I also was really, really excited about this next thing, also a Target dollar spot find. And this, believe it or not, was only 90 cents. So I want to do a gingerbread house themed tiered tray. And I thought these would be adorable to turn into little gingerbread houses. So again, around Christmas time or maybe Christmas in July, you'll get a tutorial over how I do that. So that's it for day 1. Moving on to my day 2 haul from Dirt Cheap. This was actually the product that I went back for. I had trouble finding it. So, of course, I found a bunch of other things I wanted along the way. It was only $1.50. Now, I have a specific project in mind for this. It's for a teacher friend, but there are a lot of possibilities. You could, of course, just use it as is. And then there's also decorating it, however, for various different holidays. Then the next thing that I found was the United States. So it's a pretty thick piece of MDF, I believe, and it has like a wood veneer over it. And it's it's a pretty nice, thick, chunky, sturdy piece of wood. And it was only 90 cents. I thought that was a really good price. So I'm going to paint it somehow. Haven't decided exactly how. I'm sure you'll see it at some point. And there, it's gone. Sorry for the bad editing. So here is a home St. Patty's Day sign. It was only 40 cents. And it is, I would say it's a bit sturdier and thicker and a little bit better put together than like you would find at like Dollar Tree. Not bad mouthing Dollar Tree signs. I use them, but it's just a little bit higher quality. It does have some schmutz on it, so I am gonna repaint it, redo it. I haven't decided exactly how yet, but again, I'm sure you'll see it at some point. Be sure that you follow me on Instagram and YouTube, Rumble, wherever else you would like to find me. All right, so the next is this set of 3 St. Patty's Day signs. And it was only 50 cents. And that was a really good price for these 3 table sitters, basically. They are the same on each side. So I will probably just pick whichever one looks best and use that at St. Patty's Day, and then flip the other side over and probably paint those for Valentine's. Now they are a really thick hunk of, looks like MDF with wood veneer over them. So like I said, I'll just pick whichever one is best and then use the other side for Valentine's Day. I like to have decorations that I can use for more than one holiday so that I don't have as much stuff to store. Okay, so the last thing I have is this adorable little sled, and it was only 90 cents. I thought that was a really good price for that. So it is mostly MDF with a wood veneer. It looks like I guess the blade part of the sled, I'm not sure what you would call it, is, I don't know, it looks like maybe it's some kind of pressed, thinner pieces of pressed wood maybe. Anyway, I do have a specific project in mind, and that is probably going to be a Christmas in July project because I'm ready to get started on it. Okay, wherever you have found me, be sure to subscribe and share and like and hit the bell and give me a rumble, all of the things. And leave me a comment to let me know if you would have picked up any of the things that I left behind. Be sure to check out my link tree and see all the different places you can find me. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you come back for the next video. Have a wonderful day.